Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, both devices on the same Wi-Fi and the TV or adapter in AirPlay mode. Once done, unlock your iPhone and open Control Center by swiping down from the top right. Make sure Bluetooth is on for discovery and that the TV is awake. If you see a device named for your TV or Apple TV, tap it. That's the first actionable step. You're initiating a local wireless connection, which is faster and more reliable than ad hoc pairing. Once you've opened screen mirroring or tap the AirPlay icon, you'll see a list of available receivers. Select your TV or Apple TV. If a passcode appears on the TV, enter it on your iPhone to authenticate the session. Make sure you pick the correct device name to avoid broadcasting to another screen. After connecting, adjust orientation by rotating your iPhone and set app-specific display options. Videos often auto-scale, while presentations may need to finish. Open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring or disconnect from the AirPlay icon. This cleanly ends the session. If mirroring won't connect, first toggle Wi-Fi and AirPlay, or reboot both the iPhone and the receiver. Make sure your router isn't running client isolation or AP isolation, which blocks local device discovery. If performance is choppy, move devices closer to the router or use a 5 GHz band for lower interference. These steps resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.